Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here. I am very happy to see you, and today we continue our talk about herbs, great beneficial herbs, and today's herb is going to be red clover. Let me just have it right here. I have a small bag and I will tell you everything I know about it. Now I don't know if you've heard that there are certain types of herbs that are called lymphagogs. So these are the herbs that are moving our lymph. And as we know, lymph and skin, they're kind of like twins, right? They go very close together. Sometimes doctors trying to work on your lymph, they will also work on your skin, and vice versa. When you work on the skin, you will not forget the lymph. They're sort of interconnected detoxification organs. On my channel, I have a few videos about lymphatic system, about how you could help your lymphatic system, and so you could just go ahead and watch those. Today we're going to concentrate on the lymphagogue herb, red clover. So red clover is a truly blood purifying herb. Not only it aids in the lymph flow and detoxification, it also works very well for skin issues such as acne, rashes, insect bites, poison ivy, and also skin issues that are related to the toxic burden. Red clover is even used in the cancer treatment formulas. Well, we can't really speak for its ability to treat cancer. However, I would say if you are looking for a good detox blend, red clover is really a worthy addition. You could use the flowers internally and externally for the skin issues that are connected again to your body's toxic load, acne, eczema, psoriasis. You could also consider it for autoimmune disease, rheumatoid arthritis, and also swollen lymph glands. I also have a video about the nutritive tea. As we know, they're nutritive herbs. They're very, very rich in nutrients. Red clover is on the list for that as well. So you could check my other video about nutritive herb tea. It's so red clover is very rich in minerals, including calcium. It's a member of legume family, believe it or not. So it contains phytoestrogen. It's not really very potent. It has less estrogens than soy does, and that's why it could be also beneficial for supporting hormone health in women, especially during menopause. It also supports cardiovascular health and bone health. As far as the preparation goes, if you're going to prepare red clover yourself, you could use the blossoms, including the top leaves. Once the morning dew has dried, you need to dry them very quickly in dehydrator because you want to prevent the fermentation process. Now, the way you're going to use it, you could use them obviously in teas. They actually taste quite nicely. You could use them in capsules. You could use them in tinctures. You can simply add them to the bath. I will also give you a few guides on the amounts, right? For the tea, you could use one tablespoon to the dried herb per 8 ounces of water. You could use it once, up to 3 times per day. Now, if you're making medicinal or like super infusion, you could use 1 ounce of dried herbs per 32 ounces of water, and then you sip it throughout the day, or even for over 2 days. So that will give you like the super infusion. Now, if you are making a tincture, you use 1 or 2 squirts, and you could use it from 1 to 3 times a day, or is needed. It's preferred that you dilute it in some water or any other drink. Now, if you're making vinegar, you use the same doses as the tincture, or up to 1 teaspoon. Use it again from 1 to 3 times a day. These are actually the standard doses, right? You could use it for any herbal teas or tinctures you're using. Now, capsules, you could crude or ground the herb and use 1 or 4 capsules once or twice a day. So usually before food, or just I think with food is better, with a full glass of water, very important. And this is it. So if you have any other questions, like more specific questions, let me know. And of course, we need to talk about some precautions, right? Considerations. Red clover can work as a blood thinner. So if you have a blood thinning disorder, you're taking any medications, you need to stay away from red clover herb. Also, I would not suggest you take it during pregnancy. If you're buying a red clover, you need it to be of a very good quality. Mountain rose herbs is a good source. It's very important when you're buying the red clover to look for the vibrant colors of purple and green. You don't want to buy the brown dust. So I have here the red clover. I don't know if you can see it, but it has the color, right? It's not, it has, I'm actually showing you the whole red clover tops. So this is a good color that you need to be looking for. Another thing to consider that red clover and other legumes, they contain coumarins. Some people can be allergic because coumarins are toxic, and it's very important also, again, to buy a good quality place, to find a place of good quality herbs, because these coumarins, they might become even like toxic, especially when the process of fermentation happened during the drying process. So all that is something to consider. But I mean, if it's a good quality plate, but if you're buying, say, mountain rose herbs, right, again, so you can trust that company. So I would consider that, and it's not an advertisement, it's just something I use. Also, if you have legume, if you know that you're allergic to coumarins, or you don't really do well with legumes, blood thinning medication, that's the herb for you to stay away from. Other than that, still start using it. Don't go crazy, right? Little by little introduce it into your diet, see how your body reacts, because we are all so different individuals, and what works for one might not work for the other. That's what I say. There are millions of herbs with thousands of different benefits, but it doesn't mean that every particular single person will benefit from it, right? So you need to find what works for you. So I've given you everything you need to know about red clover, and if you are still interested to look deeper into the lymph topic, do watch my other videos on the channel. If you have any questions, let me know. I wish you to stay happy and healthy. I wish you to enjoy the rest of your day. Smile, love yourself, spend more time with yourself, learning about health and how you can improve your life, not only physically but mentally. And if you like this video, put the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later. Oh, by the way, if there is any other herb that I know about and you want me to make a video about it, let me know. I'll do my best. Anyways, guys,